Today I lost $318 trading ES, and honestly it was a good trade. It just my daily bias was wrong for the day. So I'm explaining to you what I did, how I took the trade, and what I did wrong. I came into the New York session with the daily bias, and it low-key was confusing a little, and I'll explain it why too. But I came into the market at 8:30 like every day with my daily bias. I had a clear direction where I wanted to be. The market started telling me a different story later on, and that's why I exited my trade early. So rather than losing around like 450, I lost 318 because I knew I made a mistake. But as a real trader, you want to protect your capital, so I could have just let it be and then lose like 450. But what I did was, as soon as I found out that I'm wrong in my bias, I exit the trade at 318, so which is not bad. And at end of the day, you're just learning a lesson for your next trade. So here's how the setup was. We always start on the 4-hour. Market was starting with this candle today. This candle wasn't already formed, it had like, I don't know, 20 minutes left or something. First, my bias was going down today because of this break of structure we have here, and then this break of structure wasn't already made yet because this candle was still forming. This 4-hour candle was still forming, so I thought this might not be a break of structure and might start going down because we get this break of structure here and then this fair value gap here, which didn't really work out, which is fine because like I said, we're always learning our lessons. 1 hour was a different story. We get a break of structure here, this inverse fair value gap telling me it might go up, but I don't know why I just chose this one, which is still fine. So we mark our highs and lows, 1 hour highs and lows, and then the 30-minute session highs and lows. Everything was good. We go to the 5-minute chart, we get a liquidity sweep, which means a reversal. It doesn't happen every time. And then after today liquidity sweep, session highs, we're just continuing up, and I believe it's gonna touch these highs and then start going down. Here how I took this trade. So we get this 5-minute inverse fair value gap here, and then get a 5-minute EQ right after that, as you can see from high candle to the low. And this candle makes it a valid EQ. And then right after that, I went to the 1-minute chart looking for a uptrend to the other direction we're taking a trade to. So we get an uptrend, we get this break of structure, and then I was like, okay, cool, we're good for the trade. But as you can see, what happened was it just didn't go as planned. It just kept going up, and then I exited my trade about this candle, this green candle up here, because I just realized like it's not gonna be in my favor today. So I didn't fully expect it at first, but then when I found out the market is going the other way, I just exit the trade rather than losing like 450. But here's the most important part people don't talk about. Once I realized my bias was wrong, I'm not just gonna let it hit the stop loss, because I already know I'm not making any money, so why not exit at first, right? I could have easily let it turn into like a 400 plus loss, but I didn't. I cut it at 318 because if you already know you're gonna be losing, why not just exit out early? The market doesn't care about your opinion. The market gonna move how it want to move. So if you understand and know you're gonna be losing money, just exit the trade out at first, so just protect your capital. That's about it for the video. I'm documenting everything, wins, losses, psychology, all of that. So if you're serious about trading and not just gambling, subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more every day, and on the TikTok too, it's the same as the YouTube channel. Go follow the TikTok, and again the Discord. I just need around 500 subscribers, and then I will be making a Discord where y'all can learn trading too.